Hey there, welcome in this quick tutorial. We are going to show you how to add multiple accounts on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. First of all, you have to click on the TikTok app. The app will appear in front of you. You have to click on the profile. This type of screen will appear in front of you. At the top right corner, you can see the account name, the username. You click on that. Here you click on the add accounts and different types of procedures will appear in front of you. Now you can sign up for TikTok by using username or email or phone number. You can continue with Facebook or Google account. It's the simple method that how you can add multiple accounts on your TikTok device. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.